Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to set up or install PySpark 4.1.1 on Windows 11 or 10 or servers. First go to Spark official website, it is spark.apache.org. Then click on download. See here the latest release is 4.4.1. Scroll down. See these are the stable releases. If you want older versions, then click on this archives. Okay. Now hover mouse on this documentation, right click on this latest release, open link in new tab, go to here, see Spark runs on both Windows and Linux operating systems. Okay, and Spark runs on Java 17 or 21, Scala version 2.13, Python version must be 3.10 or later versions. Okay, so prerequisites are, go to here, see you must have the WinRAR or 7-zip software, then Java version must be 17 or 21, and we must have the Python 3.10 or later versions, and we have to download this WinRTLs. Then we have to download Apache Spark. Okay, I have already installed Python. If you want, you can search for my 2 channel how to install Python on Windows operating systems. Now verify the Java. First verify the Python. See Python is already installed. Ctrl G to quit. Now verify the Java version. Java hyphen version. See, I don't have Java, so first we will install Java JDK 21. Okay, you can use 17 as well. Now go to oracle.com, then click on products, then click on this Java, then download Java. See, at the time of making this video, you have the Java JDK 21 is there. Click on it. If you are unable to find the version, then click on this Java archive. There you will find all older versions. Then select the Java JDK 21, then select Windows. See here we have the x64 installer or MSI installer. This is the exe file and this is the MSI file. Click on it to download. See download started, go to downloads. See its size is 164 megabytes. Install it by just clicking on this MSI file. Click on next. This is the installation location. If you want some other location, click on change and select the path. I am okay with this one. Click on next. See successfully installed, close this one. But if you go to terminal and if you run the same Java version, it won't work. So close the terminal, open the terminal again, that is CMD. See we have installed 21. Okay, close this one. This is, I have already installed WinRAR. Now we have installed Java JDK, Python. Then download this WinRTLs file. So copy this path, go to new tab, paste it. Go to downloads. See, for 4.1.1 we must have the Hadoop 3.4 or later version. So select 3.4.0, then download this WinRTLs exe file. Click on download. Downloaded successfully. See here. Okay. Next, download and extract Apache Spark. Okay. Go to here. Select the Spark version. Then select here. Then click on this download Spark. Click on any one of these. See download started and its size is 544 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will unzip this one. See download completed, all done. Okay. First we will extract this one, then we will create Hadoop folder. Okay. So then go to this downloaded folder. Right click on this one, WinRAR or any unzip software, unzip application. Then extract files. Then select the location where you want to download. I want to download this to C drive. Click on OK. Now go to C drive. Extraction completed. See here we have this Spark. In this also we have. Now rename this one. We have the bin direct. Create one more directory in the same drive. New, then folder. I am giving name as Hadoop. Then go to downloads directory. Cut this initils.cx file, right click, just copy it. Then go to this C drive, go to this Hadoop directory, create one more directory in this one, name it as bin, hit enter, paste that file. Okay, we have created all the files. Okay, now open environment variables, edit system environment variables, click on environment variables. In system variables, create 3 variables, one for Java home, Spark underscore home and Hadoop home. So click on new Spark underscore home. Then in environment variables, click on browse. Then go to this PC, C drive, select Spark. Select the Spark directory. Click on OK. Click on OK. Another variable Java underscore home. Browse directory or go to the C drive, program files, Java, JDK, copy this one, go to here, paste it, click on OK. Then one more, that is Hadoop underscore home. In variable value, go to here again, C drive, Hadoop, copy this one, go to here, paste it, click on OK. Then go to path. Now edit path variable. Click on edit. Then add those three. Percentile Spark underscore home, percentile backslash bin, then new percentile Hadoop underscore home, percentile backslash bin, new percentile Java underscore home, again percentile backslash bin. Then click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Now open CMD, that is command prompt. Then run Spark -shell. If you don't receive any error, means you have successfully installed. Set up the PySpark. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to Spark version 4.1.1. Okay, allow access. Then copy the Spark context web UI URL. This is my computer name or system name. So select this text, hit enter, then new tab, paste it, hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. This is a Spark shell. See, here we have the stages, storage, environment. See, these are the version details. Executors, you don't have anything. Okay, minimize it. This is the Spark shell. The other one is PySpark. Control D to quit, CLS to clear screen. Now run PySpark. See, we have successfully connected. See the version, and this is the web UI for the PySpark. So copy it, just select it and hit enter. Go to the web browser, paste it in new tab. See, this time it is PySpark shell. If you go to the environment, see here we have the PySpark shell. Okay, we have successfully set up or installed the PySpark 4.1.1 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.